back to Snigi's Creativity. So in today's video, we are going to learn something new, and that is we will learn how to tie-dye clothes. So let's begin.
Hello to the microphone me. So I bought this tie-dye kit on Amazon. This is me opening the kit. I like the packaging overall. So there was a box inside a box. There were 3 dyes that I bought. So then I opened the box. This is the pre-washing fixative powder. There were a pair of gloves and Ziploc bag provided. There were 2 bottles of dye fix and a plastic sheet apron. There were some rubber bands and a free mask to dye. So I wore the gloves and started to set the things on the table. Then in 5-6 liters of water, I put the half of the pre-washing fixate powder.
20 minutes later.
After 20 minutes, I removed my hoodie and shirt to dye. I used the apron sheet to place on table and spreaded the hoodie on the table. Then I took a fork and used the spiral technique. The plastic was making it difficult to rotate. Soon I removed the plastic for the meantime. Then I started with sectioning it with rubber bands. This is how it looked. Hot pink, lavender and sky blue were the 3 colors that I bought. There were many colors available. I opened the dye bottles. This much was the amount of dye in it. Then I poured water in all 3 of them. I added 1 more rubber band for more sections last minute. Then I shaked all the dyes well. Then I put the plastic apron back on the table and placed the hoodie on it. I started to color with hot pink. It was so much fun to play with colors in this whole process. Soon went in with sky blue and lavender. Created a pattern just for fun. Then I flipped the hoodie and colored in the same pattern on the back side. After the coloring, I put the hoodie in the Ziploc bag provided. The Ziploc bag was so small for me to put the hoodie in it. Somehow I managed to do it. And then I sealed the Ziploc bag. This is how it looked. I removed the apron from the table, placed a newspaper on the table, and then placed my shirt on it. Then I tied the rubber bands diagonally on the shirt. I wanted to get the diagonal stripes pattern. This is how it looked. And then I started to dye the shirt. After dyeing, I put it in a polythene bag as there was only one Ziploc bag provided. Then for the dyes to set, I had to wait for 24 hours.
24 hours later.
After 24 hours, I poured the whole bottle for dye fix solution provided in 5-6 liters of water and mixed it well. Removed the clothes from their bags and placed them in the water for 10 minutes. When I was putting the hoodie, I realized I should have taken a bigger container, but then I got an idea and put some stones on it. This is how it looked.
10 minutes later.
After 10 minutes, I brought it to the sink, and as soon as I removed the hoodie from the water, I realized that the color was very light. Well, clearly the hoodie had some other material mixed in it and it was not 100% cotton. Then I left them out for drying and waited.
One eternity later.
So this is how it finally looked. The hoodie had this pastel-y color to it. Even though it was light, I loved it. Overall, the product was really good. I will put the link of the product in the description down below. Ignore me being stupid. The shirt was looking really good and the colors came out really good. I just loved it.
So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know how you found the video. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I will meet you next week. Until then, bye bye.